we want to make a new table with all the unique IDs from multiple tables. We can do that in both PowerQuery and DAX. However, the DAX solution is considered the most cost-effective performance-wise. But let's see how we do it in PowerQuery or M language. Here we add a blank query. We use the table combine to add all the source tables we want present in our unique ID table. First, we add all the names of the data tables we want to include. Next, we add the column names we want to include. To be able to combine these, the column names need to be identical. To get only distinct values, we surround our original formula with table distinct. Lastly, we filter on empty rows to remove any empty rows. We load the table and the model automatically detects the relationships. You can also set these manually if you prefer. Now let's look at how we can do the same thing in DAX. We can add a new table where we start writing union, which is a function to combine multiple tables. To only get one column from each table, we use select columns. This function takes three parameters: table, which is table name, name, which is the new column title, and expression, which is the column where the data comes from. We do this 3 times as we have 3 tables in this data model. If we want to remove empty rows, we surround the query with a filter that says ID cannot be blank. As we only want unique values, we surround the query with the distinct function. Now we have created the same table with unique values in DAX. Now we only need to set up the relations. And now we have created a table consisting of unique ID values from this data model.